with your customers, do you feel like once they have kind of that taste of something beyond reporting, they realize that this was a need that they've always had, they just didn't fulfill, or what is your kind of view on that?
Yeah. So I always tell customers when we're going to be implementing and putting in place the solution, there's a kind of an epiphany that ends up happening to the point where they will have an idea once they've seen the demo, with the sample data and so forth of what we've shown. They have an idea of what that is going to bring to them to a degree.
Hmm.
And but always what ends up happening is a customer will look at it and they'll say, "Oh, the fact that I can do this, does that mean that I can do this, this, and that?" And it just kind of expands from there because they don't necessarily realize the visibility that we're or the insight that we're able to give into their information to be able to better operate their business, get a better understanding of operations, of financials, be able to get into the details, be able to kind of what I like to do is, peeling off layers of an onion, and being able to kind of strip down because at the end of the day, you want to get that big picture, but you want to be able to see where the problems lie and where they don't lie. So again, we're trying to, give them that information, and it really kind of empowers them to be able to access that information. And again, more importantly, be able to do it themselves. But it absolutely opens up, you know, once they see that they can touch on one area, they can apply that to many different areas of the business. And that's why we've created so many different modules. When we first started with our solution, we only had about 3 or 4 modules. Today, we're sitting with 19 modules inside of our solution that cover various areas that customers can kind of, add on. They don't need to start with all of them all at once, but they can look and see which ones that are applicable to them and be able to apply that to their business and even be able to customize it sometimes to retrofit certain business requirements that they have to adapt to the way they want to look at that information.